Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a stitch for those of you that you want to work something for summer, even spring, a baby blanket, or I don't know, maybe a top, maybe a blouse. I'm going to use 2.5mm crochet hook. I think this stitch looks very nice with a thin yarn, 2.0, 2.5. I'm going to show you, after I show you the stitch, I'm going to show you some samples with different yarn sizes, and you will be the judge. You will choose which yarn size. And you can make even a curtain, a window curtain maybe, a tablecloth, so many things. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 7 plus 6 more chains. And after you chain multiples of 7 and you add 6 more chains, you're going to skip the first chain. And into the second chain from the hook, you're gonna do a single crochet, and then in each chain until you finish the chains, you're gonna do single crochet. So I have here single crochet in each chain. And after you do that, this stitch has only one row repeat. It goes really fast. We're gonna chain 2, turn your work. We're gonna skip the first, the second, and into the third stitch we're gonna do in there 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. So you're gonna have 6 double crochets in one stitch. And depends how long is your chain. You're gonna do like this until you finish the row. What we're gonna do, yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip the next, we're gonna chain 1 here. So after you do the 6 double crochets, you're gonna chain 1, yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip the next 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the 7th stitch we're gonna do 6 double crochets. So 1, and you go back into the same stitch and you add 5 more. Yeah, make sure that you have 6. Sometimes you're gonna put 5 or 7. Depends if you let your mind wander on other things. So I have what? 5. 1 more. Okay, now you're gonna chain 1. Yarn over the hook, and again we're gonna skip the next 6 stitches, 2, 4, 6, and into the 7th stitch we're gonna do 6 double crochets. And you can do a bag with this, especially if you work with very thin yarn. So we're gonna do in there 6 double crochets. And the last one. Yeah, okay, chain 1, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna skip the next 6 stitches, 2, 4, 6, and into the 7 we're gonna do the same, 6 double crochets. 1, go back for the second, and so on. You're gonna have to put in there 6 double crochets. This is such an easy stitch, goes really fast, especially if you work with a, let's say, a thicker yarn like 3.5, 4.0. Yeah, so we have 6. Now at the end, we're now going to chain 1 here. Yarn over the hook, we have 2 stitches left. We're going to skip the next stitch and into the next, which is the last one. We're going to do a double crochet. This is how we're going to finish each row, with a double crochet into the last stitch or chain. Okay, now chain 2, and from this moment forward, turn your work. This will be the row that you're gonna repeat until you finish your project. It looks like this. So yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the first cluster and we have 6 double crochets. So we're gonna skip the first, the second, and the third, and between the third and the 4th double crochet, between them we're going to place in there 6 double crochets. So 1, go back again into that space between the 3rd and the 4th, and place in there 6 double crochets. and the 6th one. Okay, chain 1, and we're going to move to the next shell, and we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and between the 3rd and the 4th, so you're going to divide this in half, the 6 double crochets, and in between the 3rd and the 4th we're going to repeat 6 double crochets we're going to put in that space. And it's so cute, this one, especially with a thin yarn. You can do a scarf if you like, but these shells are a little bit like open work for a tank top, for a blouse, even for a cardigan will be nice for a summer one. So we have 6, chain 1, and we move to the next shell, and we're going to repeat between the 3rd and the 4th double crochet. We're going to place in there 6 double crochets, and this is the row that you're going to repeat until you finish your project. How many did I did? 5. Okay, one more. Yeah, sometimes you're gonna put 5 or 7. Chain 1, and we're gonna move to the last shell of the row, and we're gonna do the same between the 3rd and the 4th double crochet. We're gonna place in there 6 double crochets. Even for you guys, the beginners, if you know to chain and to do double crochet, this is just so easy. Okay, 2 more I have to do. Okay, so don't chain anything, and we're gonna go to the chain 2, and on top of the 2nd chain right there, see, we're gonna do a double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 2, and you're gonna repeat the row, so it looks like this. Isn't this cute? And it's a little bit open work, the shells, so you can do like a tank top and all that. So after you chain 2, you're gonna turn your work, yarn over the hook, and you're gonna go to the 1st shell, and between the 3rd and the 4th, right there in that space, you're gonna place in there 6 double crochet, chain 1, and move to the next shell, and you're gonna repeat 6 double crochet, chain 1, and so on. I'm gonna show you now. I did a sample with 2.5. This is cotton. If you want like a table runner or a curtain, I think curtains are the best to work with, cotton or table runners. So the stitch is reversible, front and back is the same, and the sides are pretty much, I think for a table runner, this is cute. So it depends, for example, for a table runner, I have here only 1 row of single crochet, but if you like, you can put 2 rows of single crochet, and when you finish to close the work, you can do single crochet in each stitch plus the chain 1. Yeah, and this sample is with 3.0, so it's getting a little bit thicker, the yarn. So 3.0 can work with this. Yeah, for a summer tank top, or I don't know, depends what you want to do with this this stitch, but it looks quite nice. For a summer cardigan, I think it's quite nice, but for a tank top or a blouse, well, depends. Maybe you should use like 2.0 millimeter crochet hook. That would look really nice. You can do even a scarf for spring or autumn. Well, I hope you enjoyed this stitch. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.